my granddaughter had some glitter paint, so I tiptoed into her art studio and then snuck out with her glitter paint. So I wanted to do a mystical cat, and so sort of going through the framework underpainting here of a glitter cat, and then throw in a background, and then start doing the eyes, and it wasn't really coming out too great. I mean, in my imagination, this was going to be like the best thing I ever painted, but anyway, this is what actually happened, and lots of fun painting with glitter paint. Mystical cat, allegedly. Stop back for more art fun. We draw and paint every day around here.